morning, everybody. Welcome back to the video. And today we're gonna be doing kind of like a vlog style video. Right now I'm on my way to work and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Now we got the truck pulled up. Now we gotta gather all the shit. How's it going, everybody? Not gonna lie, kind of forgot to record, but right now we're starting up the smoker and we're gonna go ahead and smoke some beef for a meal prep. So I'll show you guys how we do that. All right, y'all. So we got our seasons of choice. We got 5 pounds of ground sirloin and then 5 pounds of ground chuck. We're just gonna mix it together and make it into 8-ounce patties. Hey guys, all right. So we got the beef right here and it's seasoned the way I like it. So just gonna mix it, then 8-ounce patties. Oh. Okay guys, now we're just gonna whip 8-ounce patties. 8.2. Yep, close enough. Get it right here. Boom. Rinse and repeat. Alright guys, we got 20 burgers weighed up, 8 ounces a pop. Boom, 8.2. They're all roughly 8 ounces, and now Caitlin's gonna show you how to smush it down. Oh yeah.
You wanna gonna take this,
and
you wanna gonna put it on top, and then you wanna gonna just very lightly press down. Maybe press down a little harder.
Okay, that's good. Boom.
Boom.
Alright guys, so we got all the patties shaped up, ready to go. We got the smoker, a very well bed of charcoals established here. We're gonna go ahead and grab our pecan or any choice of smoke pellets you want. We're gonna go ahead and put 3 handfuls across the coals evenly is usually enough. And then come here. I like to give the grill one final scrape down before throwing the burgers on. Important step is that these wood pellets are going to catch fire, so you want to close all of your flaps and start throwing your patties on. Close that thing up fast. We're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes, see how they look. Important detail that I forgot to include is the reason why you close the flaps is so the smoke pellets kill that open flame, but we're still sitting at about 300 degrees, which is money. All right guys, so it's been 7 minutes. Getting some nice color on those burgers already. Yeah, now we're gonna see the ones that are in the middle, closest to the hot spot. We're gonna go ahead and move out to the outer edges, so everything cooks nice and evenly. All right, now we give it another 7 minutes or something like that. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. It's been 14 minutes. Now, usually if I had more time, I would do these way lower and way slower, but I'm kind of pressed for time and I need my damn protein. So, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these guys again. Touch test. Oh yeah. Couple more minutes and we'll be done. Alright guys, that was the last couple minutes. See how the other side's looking. Oh yeah. See that nice red color you start to develop. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Now that dinner is done and cooked, we're on the way to the gym. I'm hitting legs, she's hitting chest and tri. So yeah, let's get it, y'all. All right, y'all, so I just finished cardio. What did you just finish doing?
Legs.
Ooh, fucking badass over here doing abs. So yeah, we're gonna go home now. All right, y'all, just got back from the gym and we're hitting a little meal prep for tomorrow when I'm at work. A little pinch of Colby Jack cheese. Then we're gonna hit it with just a little bit of ketchup, and mustard's really good because it has 0 calories. So just gonna put a little mustard on there. Oh shit. Pop the burger, fold it, aluminum foil. Yeah, that's crazy. I don't know what's going on this morning. All right, y'all, it is the next morning. You already know where I'm at. I'm at work. Let's get this bread and hopefully we can do something fun after I get off. What's up, guys? I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to record again, but we're at the gym. We're getting it done. We're hitting some chest and tri. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we hit a chest tri, abs. Now we're hitting some cardio, and then yeah, we're gonna finish up and go home. So I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, y'all, I just got back. Now it's time to eat, shower, sleep, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, y'all, well, we just got off work. We're hitting some back by, shoulders, forearms today. All right, y'all, so we already hit our forearms and now we're on to some biceps. I like to start out with 2 heavy sets of barbell curls. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, y'all, we just finished hitting the gym, finished up with some cardio. Now it's time to go home, make some food, shower, go back to work first thing in the morning. Let's do it all over again. We're probably shooting on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. But I'll see you guys at the house. All right, y'all, we just got home and we got a little dinner. This is 4 ounces of sirloin, 4 ounces of ground chuck, a little bit of mustard, cheese, ketchup, and a tortilla. Oh yeah. All right, ate dinner, showered. Now it's time for bed. I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning, everybody. We're on the way to work. All right, everybody. We're at work, probably a couple hours in at this point. Got the truck. We're picking up soil today. So all day, just picking up dirty shit. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a minute. Yep, that's a stop. Throw it in the truck, stack it, go to the next one. Yep, that's all there is to it all day. Unload it, stack it, drop it off. There's some perks about this job though. A lot of these restaurants will give you free shit. Just got some water. You know, it's nothing crazy, but it's a kind gesture. Ooh, spooked him. What's up, man? All right, guys, so we got all of it packed up and back at the plant. Now we're just unloading it. Yay, we did it. All right, that shit's all unloaded. Time to do some paperwork and then head out. All right, y'all, just got off work, on the way home. We're gonna eat some of the lunch that I had packed, and yeah, I'll pick up the camera when I get home if I remember, but we'll see. All right, everybody, this is the next day. I forgot to pick up the camera, but that's all right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these vlog style type of videos, let me know. Stay tuned. There's going to be a range video coming real soon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day, everybody.